Now if you simplify this, this will be equal to sum of, say, first xi's divided by n. So you're going to be sum, okay, maybe I should write this here. And so the first one will become sum I equal to 1 to n xi divided by n minus sum I equal to 1 to n xi mu divided by n. Okay, this goes to 0 as n goes to infinity with probability 1. Okay, now what would be this term? So it is like summing up mu n times, so it will become n mu. So n mu divided by mu will become mu. Hence I equal to 1 to n xi divided by n, the difference of the sample average minus the actual average, goes to 0 as n goes to infinity with probability 1. And this is what that you needed to prove actually. This is what that you need to prove. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is that the limit, if you take the limit n goes to infinity, let us add mu on both sides. Limit n goes to infinity, I equal to 1 to n xi divided by n will be mu with probability 1. Okay? So this really completes the proof of the strong law of large numbers. I hope you understood the strong law of large numbers, you got some sense of weak law of large numbers, what is their differences, and this is really the end of the course. So wish you a very happy learning.